Number 29 and number 30 from the Pert practice test are both scientific notation problems. Notice I left out the parentheses or the commas from this problem. And for number 30, that leading zero, which is kind of confusing to some students, I wrote as a red zero. Now, to do scientific notation, what you have to realize is the first number in the scientific notation has to be between 1 and 10. So a lot of people just tell you, throw a decimal point between the first two numbers. 4.56 times 10 to some power. And to find out what that power is, you move the decimal point from way in the back to this spot here. And you count how many places you moved it, and that will be the value of the exponent. So in this case, I moved it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, some teachers talk about going left and right. I don't want to discuss that. I'd rather just say because this is a large number, it's going to be a positive exponent. And because this is a very small number, that's going to give me a negative exponent. So for this bottom one, it's going to be 2.073 times 10 to a negative power because it's a small number. Not a negative number, a small number gives you a negative exponent. The deal is I move the decimal from this spot to this spot, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 5. I had a student give me a very logical argument about this being to the negative 6. He said I moved it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. But that zero there is for scientists, not for mathematicians. They use that for significant digits and whatnot. So this is a case where you really should ignore that leading zero and just deal with the decimal point. The answer choices from the Pert practice test are number 29 and number 30. Number 29, it should be 4.56 times 10 to the 9th. So that's going to give me choice B. And for number 30, it's 2.073 times 10 to the negative 5th. That should be choice B.